Nikolai, can you tell me the topic we're gonna be working on today? Slope intercept from. So slope intercept from, we know what slope is equals y equals what? Mx plus b. Right now, does this look like this?
No.
No. Why is it not looking?
Because the y is not.
Alone. Because the y is not what? Alone. Who is bugging y at the moment?
5x.
5x. So for this to look like this, y has to be alone. Yes.
Do we have to switch them around?
But we remember we always say something. Move across and what?
Change the sign. So it becomes negative 5.
So I know we have to move across each side of the y, but with that y, since it doesn't have no numbers, do we put like after 1?
We have to, because look at this. There's a, as long as there's a 1 there.
I was just
There's
thinking
1 here. Yes, you don't have to. But as long as y is what? By itself.
You move the y equals
So
to
we're gonna
the
say
left.
y. Let's write it slowly. Y. Let me use black. So say y equals. Did you see what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
What do we do with this?
Negative
You
5x.
see this? You're gonna picture it like this, and you're gonna move it right here. It goes here.
And it
You see
becomes
where it
negative
goes? Because
5x.
right now, the sign you see right here is kind of like a plus, right? So when it gets is a positive, when it gets to the other side, it becomes what? A negative. So what do? Move across and what? Change the sign. So it becomes what? Negative 5x. And what do you do with this?
You drop it.
You
Drop it like
bring
it's
down. I know it's negative 5, but we're gonna write it as what? Minus 5.
Yes.
Isn't the same thing?
Can I do the next one with
Now.
the marker?
We got this now, right? This is how we do this.
Can I explain the next one?
Let's do another one. I'll give you a chance, not now. All right.
What's that? Explore that?
Let's do another one. Negative 2x. Nikolai, wait for me if I don't call you, please. Let's do this one now. Equals, let's say 7. Okay, I just want you to pay attention. Pay attention. You're still gonna go watch the video to copy your note from the video. Now, remember to look like this. It has to be y equals something, right? It's y alone already. Yes. What do?
Move across, change the sign.
Move across, and I'll put it in the front there.
And then it becomes 2x.
And then after that,
Becomes 2x.
after that, you drop it.
Drop it like it's
it.
hot and
What?
it becomes plus
Plus
7.
7.
Not just 7.
Not just 7, say
Oh,
plus
so
7.
wait, but is it already like? Cause there's no number there. There's no like no sign. So,
So
with,
when you don't see a sign, what is that? What does that tell you?
Plus. no, but wait.
When
So,
you don't see a sign,
no, I know, but if it's plus there, then but. Okay, I'm just dropping.
we just drop
We're
it.
just dropping.
We just drop it.
Okay.
Just drop it.
Something new.
All right.
What if the Y is not alone?
Oh, that's what we're gonna do next. That's the next
I think we're gonna
example.
put a 1 for the y.
All right. So now everyone got this. Now this is not the way it's also gonna look. It can also look like this. 3x minus y equals negative 7. It can also look like this.
Minus.
Be careful. Be careful. So anytime you see a minus here, we have to picture there's a 1 here. We only have to put the 1 there when we see what? A minus here. Very soon I will show you how you have to do. You cannot do it without putting the 1 there. But now let's bring this down. So anytime you see a minus in front of your y, picture what? A 1 there. Anytime you're gonna see y. So what do we do? Same process. Move across. What sign do we see right here? Plus, right? Is it plus?
And then we
What's the
move
right?
across and
Move
change the
across
sign.
and what?
Becomes
Negative
negative
Change the sign.
3x.
And this now becomes negative what?
3x.
X. Drop this one down.
Becomes minus 7.
we say minus what? 7. But remember, what are we dropping? This is not y. This is
It's
Negative
-1
1
y.
What are we dropping? -1.
So we divide -1y to -3y?
We divide, not just that one, everything.
We divide everything?
Yes. So this is -1y equals -3x.
It's to get it alone, the y,
Exactly.
right?
So now, who is bugging your y at the moment?
Negative 3x. Oh.
-1.
Negative 1.
We divide everything
By 1, -1.
by -1. -1, -1, -1. Check it out. When you multiply or divide, when you multiply, same signs, positive, different signs, negative. So check me out.
So everything becomes a positive
This is,
answer,
no,
right?
this one cancels out, right?
Yeah,
Becomes y.
but everything
Look
else.
at this.
3,
Positive.
Because crosses out, right?
3x,
3x.
and then
But
it's
be careful
plus
here,
7.
This is what? Plus 7.
Okay.
Because these two signs becomes what? Positive. That's how you look at it. Look. All right. Now let's go. What do we drop here?
We drop that.
What do we drop?
We
drop
drop
the sign, right?
minus
-10
10
y.
y.
I will drop this first.
Move across, change the sign from
Move across what?
-11x.
It becomes move across what?
Yeah.
Change the sign. So technically there's a plus there or positive there. So when you move across, negative 11x. What do I do with this?
Drop
17?
it.
Drop it.
Plus.
Plus.
And then we divide all sides by -10.
Remember the previous question, we divide everything by -1. This time we're gonna divide by what? -10.
Everything, some answers are gonna become decimals.
We're gonna leave it as a fraction.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll leave it as a fraction.
Okay. So it's gonna be 1 over 1.
What would a mixed number?
We'll leave it as improper fraction. So everything by what? -10. Don't forget, all we're doing now, we just want to make it look pretty. Let's make it look pretty. This is gone, right? Why? Be careful now. The sign becomes positive, right?
Yeah.
Now, what do we have?
1.1x.
It's leave it as improper fraction. 11 over what?
Yeah, cause you
10
can't solve that.
x.
Yeah, cause you can't
And then
solve
17
Leave it as
over
improper
negative.
fraction.
that. Alright.
And then we leave it
This
at
one, let's look at the sign.
-17 over 10.
Minus what?
17 over 10.
over 10. Why is this becoming a minus now? Because
Because-
we divide same sign, positive, different signs, but negative. So this becomes what? These two signs becomes this.
Mr. Cuddy,
Yes.
why do they become fraction?
You leave it as a fraction because we're dividing by negative 10. Stone, you have a question for me? Thank you.
Get some water.
Okay, one more.
But really wants to perform.
One more with, I'm gonna put it up.
It's the 0.
So, we're not really raising the 0. We're gonna move this -16 to this side. So
So
now
because
this becomes
16.
18x plus what? 2y equals 0 plus what? 16.
Which becomes
What is-
16.
Which becomes what? 16.
I figure we will give,
And the fellas gonna be together.
And now it became the question again.
but Mr. Cuddy, if we see a 0, why we don't have to do the whole
You
equation?
don't have to. You don't
I was
have
thinking, I was thinking about we just throw out the 0.
Yeah, but sometimes don't forget.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
you know,
then
when
it's
you're
gonna-
doing your work, it's not always not the 0. Guess what? Let's say 5 is here. Instead of the 0, it's gonna be what? 5 plus. So whatever number you see right here, just do it that way. Now we know what to do now,
Mm-hmm.
right? So now, so this tells me we need to drop the 2y Can we
It
do that?
becomes 2y, and then we move across, change the sign to 18, and it becomes minus 18.
This goes in, right? So this becomes a negative what? 18x. And what do we do with this 16?
We drop it,
Drop like
and it becomes negative
Uh-huh.
2x.
plus 16.
And then it becomes negative
Be
2x.
careful, be careful, be careful. You're right, but one step at a time.
Oh.
Now, what do we do now? Does it look like this yet?
No.
Who's bugging your y?
2.
2. How do we get rid of the 2?
Oh, we
Divide everything by
divide
2.
everything.
Alright,
I
so-
forgot about that step.
2y equals negative 18x plus 16. Divide everything by what? 2.
I believe.
By itself. Can we simplify this one?
Yes.
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 This one doesn't have to stay as a
Negative
fraction.
9.
Negative 9
Oh, yeah.
And then the other one is 8.
plus
Plus 8.
Now we're done.
That's it. Video has 50 likes.
Chick chick.